Hello traders, today we have Tom from Simply Forex as a guest, and he's explaining his multi-time frame top-down trading approach using support and resistance. Simple yet profitable. So without further ado, here's Tom. Enjoy.
Hello traders, my name's Tom. My channel is Simply Forex. I've been trading for over 15 years now, guys, and I am a technical analyst. Okay, fundamentals don't come into my trading, purely technical, and base it on what the charts are telling me. All the information you need, guys, is in the charts. They are filled with data. Okay, I'm going to show you the things that I look at to take a trade, and I'm going to do this top-down approach. So let's just quickly look at the things I look at. So I look at market structure and trend. Yeah, you can see them here. I look at support resistance levels, candlesticks, this concept of value, and this top-down approach. Okay, so this is all that I look at in the markets, guys. All right. So let me just briefly explain this top-down approach. So we are going to, in order to make and find a high probability trade, we need to crunch as much data as we can, as much information. So I'm going to look at the weekly, the daily, the H4, and the H1. Okay. All of these will give me more and more data, so I am more informed to make a decision in terms of my entry. And therefore, we have a high probability trade. Yeah, it's the same as a business decision, guys. Imagine you're going to make a business decision. You would get as much information as possible so you could make the best decision possible. Okay, it's exactly the same with trading, guys. All right, so we're going to do this top-down approach, looking at, market structure, trends, support and resistance, candlesticks, and this concept of value. So let's start with Euro Aussie dollar, guys. We're going to do what I do every day, basically. We're going to crunch all the data. So if we look at the weekly chart, let's find out what the structure is. Okay. And as you can see, guys, we are in an uptrend. Okay. We're in an uptrend. So potentially, price could come back up to here. All right. Now we're going to look at support and resistance levels. So this was a big weekly level through here. Okay, and price has now bounced off of this level, and you can see we're getting a bullish reaction. Okay, so we're bounced off of a support level, right? And you can also see the candlesticks, guys. These candlesticks are very bullish. All right, so just looking at market structure, support and resistance, and candlesticks, the weekly chart is telling us we can buy Euro Aussie dollar. Yeah, would you not agree? And now this idea of value, guys. So this idea of value is, do we have room to move into? All right. Do we have room to move into? And the answer is yes. I mean, potentially, if we was a swing trader, which I'm not, I'm an intraday trader, then we potentially have room all the way back up to here. All right. So there's some value in the trade. Okay. My point with value is this, guys, yeah? Here we have value. If we had a big bullish candle that was here, yeah, and we're buying here, there's not much value here. Yeah, there's no room for it to go, therefore no value. But looking at the weekly chart, we definitely have a potential buy trade. But I'm not just going to base it on the weekly, guys. Like I say, we're going to do this top-down approach. I'm also going to look at the daily. Now, if we move this over, what is the daily telling us? Follow the same system, yeah? So structurally, we are in an uptrend, okay? We're getting higher lows, higher highs, okay? Only yesterday did we get a break of these highs, and with this candle here, and therefore I'm interested in buying this, okay? Because we now have higher highs. So structure, tick, yeah, support resistance levels. So it's broken this level of support. Okay, there is another area up here. We could put this level through because we need to find a target as well, guys. So there is this area through here from which we could trade as well. So potentially we could take price just up to our next area of resistance. And again, guys, my targets are just the next level of resistance. Yeah, makes sense. If I'm buying, I want to get out where the market will start selling. Simple as that. Okay. So yeah, we've got market structure. It's broken a support and resistance level. Now let's look at the candlesticks. That is a very nice bullish candlestick. Okay. So we can potentially, look for buys as well. And we have value, as in we have room to move into. So my target would, potentially be here. Yeah. If not to the top of that gray zone, this 6,800 level. Okay. So again, yeah, we've looked at the weekly and the daily now. The daily said market structure. Yeah, we can buy it. Support resistance levels. Yeah, looks like a buy. Candlesticks, bullish, looks like a buy. And we have value. Yeah. So now, if you think about it, guys, weekly has told you to buy this pair. And daily has told you to buy this pair. All right. So this goes on my list of trades. And as part of my channel, guys, Simply Forex, check it out. You can see the name up here, Simply Forex. You'll see my ugly mug as well. I will now put Euro Aussie dollar on my trade list. And every morning, guys, I do an analysis video as part of my channel where I share these trade ideas with you. So come join the channel. But that's it. Weekly, daily, Euro Aussie dollar is telling me to buy this pair. Now we can drop down to the lower time frames, yeah, because we want to get more and more information. So let's drag this over now. Okay, so now, guys, we're looking at the H4 in exactly the same way. We're looking at market structure. So what's the market structure? We are clearly in an uptrend. Okay. Yeah. So tick, support and resistance levels. This was, the daily level. So, but it's still valid on the H4. Yeah. We've broken this resistance level. Tick, candlesticks. Yeah. I actually entered this trade on this candlestick. Okay. Put my stop below here. All right. But that candle bouncing off of this level, yeah, is a good entry for me. Yeah, because it ticks all the boxes. We've got market structure, tick, support and resistance level, bouncing off it, tick, candlestick, nice bullish H4 candlestick. And we've got value because of our target. Yeah, we've still got room to move into for our target up here. Okay, so H4 is also telling me we have a good trade. Yeah, look at all this. Look at all the reasons I have to enter a trade, all the data I've got together to give me a really informed trade. All right. Now let's drop down to the H1. Let's go down one further. What's this telling me? So again, guys, we are structurally in a H1 uptrend. All right. I'd like to see these highs broken. So this structure continues. Yeah. Support and resistance level, where we've bounced off of this. We're sort of creating a new, perhaps, resistance level here. Yeah. Candlesticks is a bit of a mixed bag. We're getting buyers, sellers, sellers. So there's a little bit of indecision here. But if you think about the H4, there was no indecision. Yeah. We're just seeing buyers. And is there value? And the answer is, yeah. I mean, you could even enter right now. Yeah, put your stop below here and take price up to here. So, this top-down approach, guys, and this is the reason I do it. I want to gather as much information as I can to get into the best trades I can. You would do it in any business, so why don't you do it with your trading? All right. Yeah, and you're just going to get high probability trades. And it helps you read the market. By looking at the weekly and daily, you understand the bigger picture. And then you can really execute on the H4 and H1 at some of these levels that you've pinpointed. So that's it, guys. That's how I trade. That's what I'm looking for. I share my trade ideas with you every day as part of my channel, Simply Forex. So go check it out. And if you've got any questions on this, you can ask me on my channel, guys. So yeah, there you go. That is my top-down approach. These are all the things I look at here, guys. I hope that helps. Yeah, I'll see you next time.
So I hope you liked Tom's presentation. He is basically trading the way I do, using support and resistance with a multi-time frame analysis. If you need a good broker that has low spreads and low commissions, I can recommend Hankotrade. They have spreads as low as 0 pips and it is very easy to register. The link is in the description below. Just go to the website and start trading. So if you like my channel, guys, then please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. If you have any questions, then add these to the comments below. And also don't forget to follow me on X. There I'm sharing trading ideas, watch lists. Link is also in the description. See you guys here on the Trading Guide.